Right now, 6 o'clock, some people who live in Fulton County are getting a summons in the mail that could land them on a very important grand jury that might end up deciding whether to indict former President Donald Trump on charges connected to the 2020 election.
The grand jury is due to meet as early as July 11th. That's less than 3 weeks from now. 11 Live's Doug Richards has more on what's happening as the clock winds down.
A special grand jury heard weeks of testimony and evidence in the Trump case earlier this year. The grand jurors getting summoned now could decide on an actual criminal indictment. Grand juries meet routinely in Fulton and other counties to return indictments on all sorts of criminal cases. The Trump case would likely be just one of many cases for the grand jury due to start work as early as July 11th. The Fulton County jury manager confirmed that the county has sent jury summonses for the term that runs from July 11th through September 1st, though it's unclear how many. Typically, courts summon a pool of 75 people in order to narrow down the grand jury to 23 jurors and up to 3 alternates. Former Gwinnett County District Attorney Danny Porter told 11 Alive digital investigative reporter Nick Wooten that the magnitude of the Trump election interference case could present a challenge for the court.
I think they're going to try and get a bigger pool. I think they're going to need more as people start to figure out that this might be the Trump grand jury and all that may entail.
Yet the standard procedure is to not ask potential grand jurors a lot of questions in advance about the cases they'll consider. When prosecutors present the Trump case, they'll merely ask grand jurors to decide if there's enough evidence to take a criminal case to trial. That would bring a criminal indictment. Although potential grand jurors have been receiving summonses over the last few days, District Attorney Fani Willis has said that she expects them to actually hear the Trump case in early to mid-August. At the Fulton County Courthouse, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.